guys, so this is my package from Coconut Bowls. I placed the order in May and they had a bit of a shipping delay, but it got here yesterday, so I decided to do an unboxing for you. So I'm gonna open this and show you everything that came in it. So the first thing that I see is this picture from Salty Lux, which was the company that they did the collab with. And this picture, the back of it is like a little postcard. They say, "Hey there, beautiful human. I hope these ocean-loving, sustainable coconut bowls transport you somewhere tropical and inspire you to continue sharing your love of the natural world. Every day, approximately 8 million pieces of plastic pollution find their way into our oceans. With your support, we can reduce single-use plastic and inspire a healthy, sustainable lifestyle. These bowls symbolize our deep love for the ocean and my absolute obsession with palm trees. Like me, I hope you feel the breeze on your face, hear the waves crashing as you nourish yourself and your loved ones with delicious food. Thank you for caring about our planet, and thanks for investing in our future. Sending you so much love and nothing but good vibes." Says, "Stay salty." Okay, so let's look at what else is in here. So this is like, I got the full set of bowls and utensils. Bowls, it has a yellow palm tree and it says, "Stay salty." This may sound weird, but I'm actually smelling it right now and it smells like the beach. Like, it actually, I don't know if it's because of the note that they told me to think about the beach and stuff, but it actually does smell like the beach to me. So I can tell it is crafted by hand, like they say. This is the other bowl. It comes with a blue wave on it, very tropical. And then this is the cup. So it has like a little brown palm tree. This is how it looks inside. Very thick. Yeah. So you can, I mean, I'll show you like some combinations. So like if we got the bowl and the spoon, we got the bowl and the fork. And I don't know if you saw before, but the forks also have designs on them. So that one has a yellow palm tree, the fork, and then the spoon has a blue wave. And then I'll show you one of the spoons with the cup. And the cup also says "Stay salty" on it. And you can put smoothies in there. So I think that's pretty cool. So that is pretty much my unboxing. I will say that it took a long time to receive these items. However, I'm very satisfied with my purchase. I'm gonna make some recipes with them and see how they hold out, but I follow their page and I see their products featured in a lot of people's videos who make smoothies and very healthy food, and they seem very sustainable. I really like the whole mission statement behind their company. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and if you have any questions about the ordering process, let me know. I don't know if this special is going to be going on again in terms of the collab with Stay Salty. So hopefully you can get something that's similar to this with the designs on it, but if not, I think the other ones that don't have the designs are good as well. So they're pretty similar. But they also have other products like candles that I saw on their website, which is really cool. So sustainable and also benefits the community. Okay, so that concludes my unboxing. Till next time, deuces.